Hi! In front of me is Nokia C32 and today I would like to show you how you can edit saved passwords in Google Password Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Following that, tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit. I will go with my Facebook one. And enter your current login method. Then select Edit next to Delete and make your changes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!